Hello mighty pirates! So here we are, what we are going to do today. Today we're going to explain one important thing about the Raspberry here and these two hard drives, because this Raspberry doesn't have any micro SSD memory inside. As you can see, the slot is empty. It's there down there. So how does it work? I boot this machine from this hard drive, and this hard drive is just the backup of it. And of course, the first important thing is to buy a new USB hub, a powered one, so you don't have to worry about the Raspberry giving some power supply to the hard drives. This is the first thing. And then you have to build a micro SSD memory with their standard Raspberry Pi operating system, and then you have to copy, using a special software, the micro SSD operating system to this hard drive here. After that, you need to create another micro SSD power up boot, and it's in a software provided by the Raspberry community, and that micro SSD will tell the Raspberry to stop to boot from the micro SSD slot and try to find something on your USB device. So in the end, when you power up the system will boot up from there, and you don't have to worry about the micro SSD problems. Okay, so I'm going to show you the screen of a Raspberry Pi boot from the hard drive. Okay, here we are. As you can see, there are two hard drive connected. The first one, SDA, is the boot thing. The SDB is the copy of it. To copy this, okay, I have to tell you that the first thing, I've been using the same program to the RPI-Clone to copy the whole thing, the whole micro SSD software to the hard drive, to the first one. Okay, and then of course I use this command line here to copy another drive, to copy the standard drive, the SDA, to SDB. It's the same software. It doesn't really matter if you start from one micro SSD or from one standard hard drive. It doesn't really matter. This software is great because it makes a real copy and you can boot from it. Okay, if you have any question, I will be very happy to answer. And this is interesting. The whole process to copy my drive SDA to SDB, it takes 1.5 hours approximately. And this is, I think it is pretty fast. And of course, the hard drives are not very big because, I mean, come on, it's enough space anyway. Okay, so at the moment everything is that's all, folks. So see you guys to the next episode about a Raspberry. Bye.